What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First, I want to thank everybody who subscribed to the channel. Thanks for liking the videos, sharing, commenting, and the whole works. If this is your first time tuning in, please, before you do anything, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so whenever I drop these new videos, you can be notified. With that said, in this video that I'm going to do tomorrow, which is now for you guys, I'm going to be showing you how I upgrade my sound system. I already did an install a couple months ago when I put in, I think it was two 12-inch speakers, subwoofers, and a aftermarket amp. I connect it through the factory amp. So if you want to check out that video, I'm going to put a link like somewhere up here. You can go and check it out. It's really helpful. I think I got like 14k views already and a lot of good feedbacks. So if you want to check that out, you go ahead. Now I did another upgrade to that video. I switched out the two 12-inch speakers. Now I'm running one American bass, but I use the same amp. It's playing pretty good. I also add a aftermarket amp to the factory speakers, and they're playing way loud. They're playing too good. Everybody's asking me if I change the speakers, but it's the same stock speakers. I just add the amp to give it a better kick, and then I fine tune it, whatever. But my equalizer just went out also. So tomorrow I'm gonna actually diagnose the equalizer to see if it's the power wire or if it's just the equalizer that went out. I don't want to give the equalizer brand any bad name as yet, but tomorrow when I diagnose it, I'm gonna see if it's the equalizer that went out or if it's the what's it called, the power wire that's not getting any power to the equalizer. So if you want to see my setup, just keep on watching. I'll see you tomorrow. So it's the next day and about to go outside, show you guys the car and the work I've done to upgrade the sound system. But before I go, I just received a bunch of packages, so that means there should be a lot more videos coming in. All this right here is packages for the car, so it's different mods. I'm not gonna tell you what's inside yet, but there's more videos coming in, more content. Hopefully by next week you should see another video after this one. So yeah, let's go outside. Alright, so this is how my setup is looking. One American bass in a custom box. So I actually made this box myself. It's not done, need to wrap it. But I just throw it in just to see, just to see how it looks and how it plays. Also, I made this custom tray on the top right here. That's where my amps are located. If you're wondering how do I get to the amps, since they're sitting up underneath this air like that, all you gotta do, open that and then pull it out. It's like a draw. So that's how it works. So this amp right here, this is what control the subwoofer, and this is my voice. And I have to walk you through the wiring process. Okay, wait, I'm not done. I have a capacitor located right there in the back. You can see. So that's how it's looking. I also have a equalizer, and it's right here in my glove box. So I remember I was telling you that the equalizer went out. Well, I fixed the problem. It was actually the fuse from the cigarette lighter, because I connect the equalizer to the cigarette lighter power, so whenever the car is off, it goes off also. I didn't use a aftermarket radio because I use a wire straight from the equalizer to plug right into my phone, so I can still play my factory radio and also my sound system. Okay, so let's get back to the truck. Okay, so let me walk you through my wiring process, how I wire my sound system. So first thing first, my live wires, these are both lights from each amp. I run both of them all the way to this adapter right here. So one is there, and then this single one came out and goes to the capacitor that's in the back right there. Then my ground wires, same thing, they run to this one right here, and then a single wire goes to the capacitor also. And for the remote wires, these are connected to the factory amp. Then the speaker wires, I actually disconnect the front door speaker from the factory amp, and I run the front door speakers to this. Also, I made a custom speaker in the back seat. Let me show you. So if you open the armrest right here, you will see speakers right there. I'm not finished. I'm gonna wrap this whole section here in carbon fiber, so it matches the interior of the car. Carbon fiber all around. Yeah, so that's connected to the aftermarket amp. That's extra voice. So the front door speakers, the armrest speakers are connected to this amp, and this is running my American bass. Next up, my aux input from both amps. They run all the way to the front to the equalizer. On the audio amp, I have a capacitor. This is actually for noise frequency, for, you know, when you have that high frequency engine noise in your speakers. This is what isolate the noise. So I have that connected right there. And as I said, these wires, they run all the way to the front to the equalizer. It might seem or look a bit confusing to a lot of people, so I'm gonna attach a photo, an actual diagram of the wiring process. So if any of you would like to, you know, do a similar setup as mine, you can go ahead and do it, because I'm gonna attach a diagram of how to wire it yourself. Yeah, so basically that's how my setup is looking. I'm gonna push this tray back in. Yeah, so that's my custom system.